Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you some hidden features on the Samsung Galaxy J2. Let's jump right in. The first one we're going to show you is how to use split screen on this awesome phone, which a lot of people are not familiar with, so it's really easy. What you're going to do is first pick the two apps that you want to open up. So in this case, I'm going to do Google Chrome, and I'm going to do text messages. So I'm going to open both apps that I want to use first. This is the easiest way to do it. So open Google Chrome, and let's click through here and make sure we're set up. Okay, I'm going to go home. Now I'm going to tap on messages, go home, and then I'm going to hit the recent apps button right here. And the app you want to be at the top, you're going to pick that app first. So Google Chrome. I'm going to tap on the two little bars right here. That's going to take us in the split screen. And then I'm going to tap messages down here. So we'll find messages. And there it is. And now I can have Google Chrome up here and my text messages down here. Now this is a really cool feature. Maybe you're trying to look up something like an address or somewhere to eat or an idea for an event. You could be looking it up at the same time that you're looking at your text messages. Now, if I want to change the app down here, I can just simply hit the two bars right here. And let's say I want to open up Gmail instead. So I can have Gmail open down here, and I can have Google Chrome up here. Now, maybe you say, oh, what if I want to watch a video up here? We could have YouTube, for example, up here. So I can tap in the center here and hit this middle button, and it'll actually flip what's at the bottom to the top. I'm going to hit this, go to YouTube, and now I'm going to tap on the center again and rotate it, and now I can have this video playing at the top while I'm looking through my text messages, responding, or whatever. When you're done, you can see this little blue bar in the middle. I'm going to put my finger in the middle and just drag it all the way down, and that's going to take us out of split screen. And then we're just going to go ahead and go home. So that's how we use split screen. That's one of our little hidden features. Our next one is going to be what's called one-handed mode. For those of you that have smaller hands or not used to having a phone so big, there's a little tweak in the settings you can make to make it easier to use the phone with one hand. So we're going to go to the settings. In the search, tap up here and just type in the number 1, and then hand. And you should see this come up, one-handed mode. We're going to turn this on, and you're going to switch it to button because this is the easiest way to open it. So we're going to just tap button. And to launch this, all you have to do is tap the square at the bottom 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now it opens it up into one-handed mode. So right now it's a little difficult. If I want to reach all the way to the top of the phone, I have to really reach up there. But if I just tap that square 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it'll now shrink it down and make it easier for me to reach the top of the screen. When you're done, just tap on the outside here, and it will take you back into the regular mode. So that is one-handed mode, and it's great when you just only have one hand to use your phone. How to make things a little easier. All right, our next hidden feature is changing the lock screen shortcuts. So on the lock screen here, if I turn the screen off, turn it back on, we have 2 shortcuts down here, camera here, phone here. Maybe you want to have different shortcuts. Let me show you how to change those. So settings, lock screen, and then app shortcuts, and you can make them whatever you want. So tap left shortcut, and let's say I want to have my first shortcut be Facebook, and I want my second shortcut to be my email. Now when I turn the phone off, turn it back on again, my Facebook, Gmail, and I can just put my finger on the app and just slide it up, and it automatically will take me right to that app. So there is that. Our next hidden feature is a cool way to launch the camera really quick from any screen, even if your phone is turned off. So let's say your phone is turned off and you grab your phone and all of a sudden you see something you want to get a picture of. Just tap the power button twice. It'll automatically turn on the phone and launch the camera and allow you to take a picture. That easy. You can also be in another app doing something different. Maybe you're in the Play Store, you're searching for a new app and something happens, you want to get a picture of it. Boom, boom, right to the camera. So that's called the quick launch camera. And all you gotta do is tap that power button twice and it automatically takes you to the camera. Our last hidden feature is a cool thing to turn on to use the flash to let you know if you ever miss a phone call or a message. So we're gonna go to the settings, tap in the search, flash, F-L-A-S-H, tap on flash notifications, and you're gonna just turn this on. And so now what's gonna happen is whenever you get a phone call, like let's say you miss a call or you miss a text message, maybe your phone is sitting on the counter across the room, what you'll wanna do is have your phone facing down like this. And if that call comes through and you miss it, the flash will go off to kind of let you know that you're missing something, an alert on the phone. So I believe it flashes like every couple of minutes. So it just lets you know that you missed an alert and, you know, check your phone. So really cool thing there. Great way to use the flash to do something other than just the camera. So this is it, guys. This has been the just a few hidden features on the Samsung Galaxy J2. I hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Do us a favor, leave us a comment down below and let us know which one of these hidden features was new that maybe you didn't know about, and which one are you most excited about. We love to see your feedback. Again, like, favorite, and share. Hit that subscribe button. And also, we just launched a brand new site called Tech Made Easy. On the next screen, there's a green bubble. You can click on that button and subscribe to our other channel. We're going to have videos on the J2 on both sites, so we don't want you to miss anything. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.